Hey, good morning, guys. So it's Friday, thank God. This is the last job that I'll be doing for the week. So I'm working in this job here. These people got their roof done 3 years ago. They had insulation done as well, and whoever these roofers were, they just put all the rafter vents, they just left them laying inside the attic loosely. They didn't pop them, they didn't stuff them in. I guess they figured, you know, this is it's a 412 pitch. There's not all that much attic space, but it's not that bad. I wouldn't call this a belly crawler or anything. Just need the right tools. Get the right tools to do the job, and you'll get her done. So I'm going to show you guys a little trick that can help you do get your rafter mates in there, get the bats pulled. If I can find the right bit here. Oh, I might be screwed. No. Let's see what I got here. It's gonna work. No. Yeah, it might be a little lock here. Hold on. I just broke one of my bits. This will work. Okay, yeah. So today I'm going on going up in a hot air balloon, weather permitting. I've never been on a hot air balloon ride, but I'm going to try it today. See how it works. Okay, here's a little trick. That you can do. So if you got to crawl in an attic, you're going to be crawling around on your belly, and you got to reach. You just can't reach in for the bats. You got to pull them out. You just take something simple like this, like a broomstick. I'm going to pop some screws through it like this. I'm going to put 2 screws like that, and that'll give me the ability to pull back these bats. Put the rafter vents in, flip it around to the broom side, and stuff the bats back in to hold the rafter in place. Hopefully this bit works. It's a little bit small, but let's try it out. Let's see if we can do it here. I don't know if you guys can see this. Maybe I'll do it up here. I'll try that with this. Yeah, I don't know if this bit's gonna work. Let's see. Yeah, that should work. Just like that. The other screw go I dropped. I'll grab another one. Yeah, so this is a pretty easy job. Take me about an hour. I'm gonna go. The good thing about this one is at least all the soffits are 100% perforated. So it's not like I have to hit every single rafter, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. Get more airflow in there, the better. There you go. Okay, got a little hook. So that, and that'll pull back my bats. Stick the rafter vent in, this around, shove it back in place. Okay, so I'm just sitting in the attic now. If you look behind me, here I'll turn my head. You look behind me here, see you had a little bit of issues with surface mold before. I guess the path exhaust vents weren't hooked up properly, so that's why it's always important. You always got to make sure that all the connections are all nice and tight. You don't want any of that humid air going into the attic, because that's what it does. That's what it causes. So pretty straightforward attic. I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put a rafter vent. I'm gonna put a rafter vent. I'm gonna put them in pretty much every single in between every rafter. Let's do it. Let's move over to the other side now. Nice easy Friday. I stress about it all the time. It's good to have, if you get your roof done, you always inspect. You have to inspect your attic. Make sure all the housing for your bath vents, dryer vents, all that stuff like that is all properly secured. Because if not, you're going to end up having issues if you don't take care of it. So let's get the rest of these rafter vents in and then jump on that hot air balloon. See how easy that is? Rafter vents in there. Good. Whoa. Well, now we're all done. Let's go home. Well, that had to be the easiest Friday I've had in a long time. Well, except for a day if I missed a Friday, but when I was here anyway, it was an easy Friday. So hopefully it's going to be a good weekend, guys. I'm having issues getting my truck. I'm getting a big time runaround. I'm praying to God that thing is in here today, man, because I'm a little kid. I get very impatient. I won't even sleep at night if I'm expecting to get something that I really want. But anyways, guys, have a good weekend. Watch how you hook up your bathroom fence. Put those damn rafter vents in. Pull the bats back. Do everything. Do what you're supposed to. But some of you guys can keep messing up because I still need my job.